Proper nutrition plays an important role in the prevention of cancer. Scientists have found that dietary changes can prevent up to 35% of cancer deaths. Therefore, I recommend that you watch the video to the end and you will find out what foods you should put on your plate in order to minimize the risk of cancer. These products contain vitamins, antioxidants, carotenoids, flavonoids, and other useful substances, thanks to which they restore the metabolism in the body, strengthen the immune system, and prevent carcinogenesis. To prevent cancer, oncologists recommend introducing anti-cancer products into the menu. 1. Linseed flaxseed contains lignans, which have an antioxidant effect and block carcinogenic processes. Slow down the growth of malignant tumors of the prostate. Clinical studies involving thousands of women diagnosed with breast cancer have shown that the use of flaxseed significantly increases the survival rate among cancer patients. 2. Tomatoes. Vegetables contain a high concentration of natural antioxidants, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein, lycopene, and zeaxanthin. These substances neutralize free radicals that are directly related to the process of carcinogenesis. Research by the Cancer Institute found that men who ate more than 10 servings of tomatoes or tomato products per week had an 18% lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who ate small amounts of these vegetables. In addition to prostate cancer, tomatoes prevent the development of oncology of the breast, lungs, and stomach. 3. Avocado. Researchers at Ohio State University have found that the glutathione found in avocados kills or stops the growth of precancerous cells that cause oral cancer. Also, this substance inhibits the growth of malignant tumors of the prostate and attacks leukemia cells, while leaving healthy cells intact. 4. Garlic. Scientists have found that garlic is able to remove carcinogens from the body, for example, cadmium contained in cigarette smoke, and activate white blood cells that destroy cancer cells. It has been proven that among people who consume garlic 2 or more times a week, the risk of developing lung cancer is reduced by 30%. Also, a vegetable, it is enough to eat 2 cloves a day, minimizes the likelihood of malignant tumors in the esophagus, stomach, and large intestine. 5. Beans, lentils. A 6-year study of over 14,000 U.S. men showed that with increased consumption of beans, lentils, and split peas, the risk of getting prostate cancer was greatly reduced. In another study of 103,000 people who ate large amounts of legumes had a greatly reduced risk of colon cancer. The risk of pancreatic cancer was reduced in those who ate legumes more than twice a week. 6. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and white cabbage contain isothiocyanate, a substance that has a toxic effect on cancer cells. At the same time, it does not pose a danger to healthy cells. Employees of the University of Oregon and the University of Alabama proved that people who consumed large quantities, 200 grams per day or more, of Brussels sprouts were much less likely to get cancer. 7. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and natural antioxidants. In addition, the bioflavonoids included in their composition activate vitamin C, which is one of the main enemies of cancer cells. Blueberries can bring the greatest benefit to the body, which occupies a leading position in terms of the number of useful compounds, thanks to which it prevents the growth of all types of malignant tumors. Blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries are also very useful. According to studies, the anthocyanin found in blackberries reduces the risk of colorectal cancer. 8. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a substance that has an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect. It prevents cell damage, preventing them from becoming malignant, and also inhibits the growth of malignant tumors. Resveratrol is found in the highest concentrations in grapeskins, especially in red and purple varieties. 9. Green tea. The drink contains flavonoids and catechin antioxidants that can prevent or slow down cancerous processes. The concentration of catechins in green tea is 3 times higher than in black. People who regularly consume green tea are much less likely to be diagnosed with cancer of the breast, prostate, bladder, and gastrointestinal tract. 10. Soya. Lovers of Chinese and Japanese cuisine can enjoy their favorite food with pleasure. It has been established that soy and all soy products, miso, tofu, tempeh, soy sauce, soy milk, contain high concentrations of phytoestrogens and isoflavones, genistein, which protect against hormone-dependent tumors, especially prostate and endometrial cancer. 11. Pumpkins. The dark orange flesh of pumpkins is rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoid pigments. Beta-carotene, in addition to being an antioxidant, is able to turn into vitamin A, which helps prevent cancer. 12. Carrot. The root vegetable is rich in beta-carotene, giving it a bright orange color. Recent studies have shown that beta-carotene plays an important role in strengthening the immune system, which can prevent certain types of cancer. An analysis of the results of 8 studies showed that beta-carotene reduces the risk of developing breast and prostate cancer. Other studies have shown that regular consumption of carrots reduces the risk of stomach cancer by 26%. 13. Fatty fish. Oily fish is rich in nutrients, potassium, vitamin B, omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids. Fatty acids deactivate inflammatory processes, thereby preventing the formation of cancerous tumors. Studies have shown that people who eat high amounts of fresh fish in their diet have a 53% lower risk of developing colorectal cancer than those who rarely eat this product. Other studies have shown that eating fatty fish reduces the risk of prostate cancer. A study in which 68,000 people took part proved that people who consume fish oil supplements at least 4 times a week have a 63% lower risk of developing colon cancer. The greatest health benefits will be provided by flounder, salmon, herring, and sardines. 14. Walnuts. All nuts have the ability to prevent cancer, but scientists have paid special attention to the study of walnuts. They found that the product contains a substance that can bind to estrogen receptors, which helps prevent breast cancer. I hope you found something useful in this video. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.